Guys, check me out. Okay, so I decided to do a trade today off of crypto, going back to my roots. Okay, so take a look at my parabolic SARs at the top. This is the 1 minute chart on Bitcoin. They're not yet touching the middle Bollinger Band. However, will soon. But what else am I looking at? I'm looking at all of my moving averages pointing down. I'm looking at my stochastic down there at the bottom, struggling. The teal blue and the red down there. It's bouncing up and down, but it's in that bottom area. Okay, it just hit me for an okey-doke. But that ain't nothing but a fake out. That's going to turn right back around and head down. It's going to respect that first zone in between that 5 and that 9. How do I know this? Go up to the 5 minute time frame. Okay. Look at all my moving averages. They done came up to about the 53 center line area. Gonna head down. All right. Look at the parabolic SARs in the middle. It was in an uptrend, and then the parabolic SAR touched the center line on the 5 minute chart. It may take a second, but that's coming back down, guys. All right. Look at this 15 minute chart. What do you see here? Look at the stochastic at the bottom window down there. How it has crossed over at the 80 level at the bottom. Getting ready to head down. Look at my moving averages down there, still beneath that 53 level down there. Okay. Look at my price sitting up underneath that center Bollinger Band. It may go up and down in between it, but that's going to come right back down a little bit further, probably to my take profit. All right, now look at this. Wowzers, that hurt. I forgot I was doing Bitcoin. Anywho, not a problem. I'm confident it's going to come right back around. I just want to play with our heads a little bit. Stochastic is going to sit up there and stay underneath that 53 level on this 1 minute chart, and it's going to end up bouncing back down. Okay, just like I said, look at it like clockwork, baby. I am concerned that should have got in way sooner, but I was just trying to make a video, a point for you guys, since I haven't did one. But basically, yes, the parabolic SARs are almost touching the center line, but it ain't quite there yet. Look at that. Now we're talking about Bitcoin. If I was in Nas 100, I would be in profit. And this is why I don't like fooling with Bitcoin anymore, crypto anymore, because the spreads are ridiculous. Y'all get the point. I might just close this out in a negative loss because I'm actually en route doing something. But look at that spread. That's going to take forever for me to get in profit. I might hold it, I might not. But what I want you guys to pay attention to is the moving averages. Look at them. They're all headed down. They're all at the bottom down there. Look at the stochastic. It turned around and went down underneath that 53 center line. Look at my 20 simple moving average at the bottom. The bottom window. It's at the top, sitting over there at the 80, but where is it pointing? Down. I may leave it in just to make a point, guys. 5 minute chart. Everything coming down. Playing around my center line, my take profit line. Look at the price action at the top. Okay? Coming down. I'm headed to go get me some blue crabs right now. So I'm trying to see what's up. Can I hit my little take profit? Can I get in profit? Ooh, I might need to move it down a little bit, but hopefully it drops down. I don't want it to close out in the negatives, especially when I know it's going to come down. All right. I might move it a little bit. Let's see here. 215. Let's move it down to 210. How about that? Hopefully y'all can hear me pretty good. Hopefully my video does not die. Come on down, baby. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. We are in a trend. A lot of y'all been texting me, asking me, how do you know? How do you play it out in the trend? Here we go. We're in the trend, y'all. Look at everything I've explained. Okay, that 20 simple moving average at the bottom window. Yeah. Oh Lord, is it gonna put me in profit or not? Do I need to drop my line a little bit further? Let's take it down to 05. Bam. Ooh. Okay. Trend. Look at my 20 simple moving average at the bottom. How I went from that 80 coming down. Everything is pointing down. Alright. Look at the 5-minute chart. How my parabolic SARs have touched my center line. Look how a new parabolic SAR has formed above the price. Okay? Pretty soon you'll probably get a red one that's connected with it. And it's going to head down. It may do a little bouncing around, but it's going to head down. How do I know that? Not by the 5, but the 15. Look at my stochastic at the bottom window down there. It just did its little crossover shebang bang. Going to end up heading down. All right? I may drop that a little bit more. Just do this just to make sure I can close out in profit. It may end up closing me, or I may close it myself. I just want to get in profit. This video was just to show you guys how to handle a trend with this TuPar-BBKOF. All right, look at my 20 simple moving average at the bottom window down there. Now it's just hitting that center line. I need to pass underneath it and keep heading down. Oh, we almost at take profit level. Almost in profit, baby. This ain't to make a huge profit. It's just to get me in profit so I can show you guys it works. I'm going to go ahead and close out. Bam. In profit. Just like that. Ladies and gentlemen, TuPar-BBKOF trend trading. Look at it. That is a trend. Respecting that 5 moving average, which is orange for me. Okay? Hugging. Now it's starting to hug that BBK, not the BB, but the Bollinger Band. It's starting to hug it. But look at my 20 simple moving average, which is black at the bottom window. It's heading down. Now because we're at that center line, you may get a little pullback right there. You may get a little hesitation. But that's it, guys. Alright, chat later. Have any questions? Let me know. We in here. We here to make this money. Imagine if this was Nas 100. How much money that would have made. Not $5, but more. All right, I'm out.